Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can repair minor dents in your car using a car dent puller. Okay, so before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please now subscribe right now. So guys, it's not uncommon to get dents in your car. Many times it happens, like when you park it at a place like parking lot or garage and you come back, you see it has got dents due to so and so reasons. But this is a very handy device and you can easily get it online. And how it works, like you should first clean the surface wherever you have the dents. Okay, then in this position you're gonna stick on it. Okay, then lock it. Okay, and then you have to pull it. Okay, let me try it. So now I'm ready to pull it. Okay, so you have to pull it. Yeah, so this was successful. So it's very simple and nothing much, but yes, depending upon the size of the puller and the size of the dent, in many cases it may not work. So let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.